Good morning, students. Welcome to the second session. Now I am going to discuss that level 2 problems. In previous class up to 39 we are completed. Now 48th question. See the question how they are given. If 1 divided by a power 4 minus x power 4 dx is equal to a tan inverse x by a plus b logarithm of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c, then a comma b. So a b values we need to find. How to do this? First, denominator can be split into two parts. A power 4 we can write a square whole square. X power 4 we can write x square whole square. Then a plus b into a minus b form. We get a square plus x square into a square minus x square. This is. Now, how to do this? Split into partial fraction, that is lengthy method. Then go for alternative method. I am going to divide 2a square multiplying 2a square. Then denominator part is same, a square plus x square, a square minus x square dx. 1 by 2a square. Numerator I am going to write like this: x plus a square minus, not x, x square, and no, go to alternative, because denominator what is there, a square plus x square, we can write like this: a square plus x square plus a square minus x square. Now see calculation here, plus x square minus x square is going to cancel, means you will get 2a square or not? Right. Now denominator a square plus x square into a square minus x square. Now split. Now after integration, first term what will come? A square plus x square, a square plus x square is going to cancel. We get a square minus x square plus second term, a square minus x square, a square minus x square cancel, means we get a square plus x square. So finally we are splitted into two terms. Now apply the formula: 1 by 2a square into integration 1 by a square minus x square formula, 1 by 2a into 2a means here a square, 2a, okay, into what? Logarithm of modulus a plus x by a minus. If you don't know formula, see the question already given, right hand side. This is 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c. Okay. Now multiply. What happened? 1 by 4a cube logarithm of modulus a plus x by a minus x plus 1 by 2a cube tan inverse x by a. Observe the question and answer. What are the a value and b value identified? Tan inverse coefficient is a value, that is 1 by 2a cube, and log coefficient is b value, 1 by 4a cube. Finally, what is a comma b? Which option is correct? See the options: 1 by 2a cube comma 1 by 4a cube. This is the answer. Second option is correct. And remember it formulas. If you know formula, you will get the answer, otherwise difficult. So I'm going to question number 41. See this question. How to do this? Numerator degree, denominator degree is same. So this is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Numerator degree is more comparatively denominator. That is also improper. Numerator degree is less comparatively denominator degree. That is proper fraction. Now, how to do this? See, I'm getting thought like this. Numerator, x cube minus 1 is there. I am writing x cube plus x minus x minus 1 divided by x cube plus x. Without using partial fractions, I am doing. Now, x cube plus x divided by x cube plus x, that value should be 1. And minus x minus 1 is there. Take minus common. Numerator will come x plus 1 divided by denominator x cube plus x. Right. Still up to here, understood now? Next, integration 1 dx minus integration x plus 1 by, in denominator, take x common, you will get x square plus 1 dx. Again split this, integration 1 dx minus x cancel, you will get 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Next, minus integration 1 by x into x square plus 1 dx. We got 3 terms, but see the options. There are 4 terms. There are 4 terms. What is the 4th term? That is the important here. What is the 4th term? So integration 1 dx means x minus integration 1 by x square plus 1 means, that is tan inverse x minus integration. Now this part is important. How to split? I am splitting like this, 1 by x minus x by x square plus 1. See this, it is correct or not? Take the LCM and go to the reverse process. LCM is x into x square plus 1. Here will come x square plus 1 minus x into x square. These two cancel means we get 1 by x into x square plus 1. This is a reverse method. Now follow that. That is equal to x minus tan inverse x minus integration 1 by x dx, that is log x, minus into minus plus, here divide 2 multiply 2, so it is in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x dx. Now finally this is same, this is also same, we get 1 by 2 into logarithm of x square plus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. Observe the options. Which option is correct? X minus tan inverse x minus log x and plus 1 by 2 log x square plus. I think second. In the question, x power 6 minus 1 is there. X power 6 derivative is 6 into x power 5 dx. So numerator x power 5 is not there. That's why I am doing multiplying numerator and denominator with x power 5. Now see that 1 by 6, 6 x power 5 dx, x power 13 into x power 5, bases are equal, power should be adding x power 18. That is, we can write x power 6 whole cube, x power 6 minus 1. Now go to the method, let x power 6 is equal to t, 6x power 5 dx, that is equal to dt. Now those values substitute in the question. Then what happens? See, 1 by 6 into numerator is dt divided by t cube into t minus 1. This is how to split into partial fractions. That is the important here. So here how many terms are there? See, logarithm a by b, log a minus log b. Totally 4 terms are there. Now I am going to do that partial fraction. General method not possible here. Now original method, t cube into t minus 1. Listen carefully. 1 by t cube repeated 3 times. You can write like this, a by t plus b by t square plus c by t cube plus finally d by t minus 1. So this is a method splitting into partial fraction. Now left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side take LCM, denominators is going to cancel. Just I am writing the numerator. So here you will get a into t square into t minus 1. If you are not understood, write denominators, t cube t minus 1. This is left hand side value. Right hand side LCM is t cube into t minus 1. Here only t is there. That's why here we are getting t square into t minus plus b into t square is there. We get t into t minus 1 plus c into t minus 1 plus d into t cube. Students, I think all of you understood how we are taking the LCM. Now observe that we need to find a, b, c, d values. Go to that, t is equal to 0. Then what happens? See, left hand side is 1, right hand side terms 0, 0, here 0 minus 1, this is also 0. Finally in this case 1 is equal to minus c, c value minus 1. We got one of the value. Now take t is equal to 1. Wherever is there t minus 1, it is going to 0. Left hand side is 1. Here t minus 1 is there, 0. Second term also 0. Third term also 0. Fourth term d into 1 cube, that is 1. So here what is d value? 1. We got c and d. Now we need to find a and b. Substitution method not possible. Go to the comparison. Comparing the coefficients. Comparing t cube coefficients and what we have to take? We need a and b and t coefficients. T coefficients. Observe that t cube coefficient first. Left hand side there is no t cube. That coefficient should be 0. If you are multiplied these two, you will get t cube. That coefficient should be a. Next, here not possible. Here only t cube coefficient. What is that? D. We need a value. A is equal to minus d. Already we got d value. So finally, what I am saying means here, A value is -1. Next, T coefficient. Where it is possible T after multiplication, observe that. So I am expecting here is T possible. Multiplying these two means T is possible. Here, left hand side, there is no T, that value is 0. Here will come minus B. And here also T coefficient possible, plus C. Now what is B? B is equal to C. Finally, B value, what? -1. These all values substitute here. A value is -1. -1 by T. B value is how much? It is also -1. -1 by T square. -1 by T cube. Plus 1 by T minus 1. This is final value of 1 by T cube into T minus 1 value. Students, are you understood how I am doing partial fractions? How we are doing substitution method, comparing the coefficients. So go to the question. Those values right here. 1 by 6 integration -1 by T minus 1 by T square mean, that is I am writing T power -2 minus T power -3 plus 1 by T minus 1. Now do that integration. 1 by 6, this is minus log T minus T power -2 integration. T power -2 plus 1 by -2 plus 1. Overall, that is plus T power -1. T power -3 integration. T power -3 plus 1 by -3 plus 1. That means plus 1 by 2 into T power -2 plus integration 1 by T minus 1. That is logarithm of T minus 1 plus C. Now see here, log T minus 1. Use the formula 1 by 6 into log A minus log B, log A by B. That means T minus 1. T means x power 6 by x power 6 plus T means x power 6. Here will come x power -6. Here will come x power -12 plus C. This is the final answer. Verify the options. Third option is correct. Students, are you understood? Now starting onwards, I am showing